Now there are some aspect of it that you also got to look at. Also, don't forget we're talking about unlocking hidden cash flow in apartments when it comes to executing operational excellence. Now you want to look at the risk and also the reward aspect of things. The risk aspect of things, you say you want to push cost onto tenants throughout improving service can sometimes cause turnover. It's a good move, but sometimes it may rub off some tenants the wrong way. Not necessarily mean that it's the wrong move, but sometimes it might just be a turn off for some tenants, so you might get some turnover in terms of lease. So you want to watch out for that. That's the risk aspect of things also too. Then what's the solution? Just efficiency with service upgrades, better maintenance, quicker response time when your tenant calls also too. Very, very, very important. You want to respond to their needs also to show them you care, and making sure you want to deliver a healthy investment for your investors, or also to you as the investor too. Then what's the reward? The lower the expenses, the higher the net operating income in terms of income versus minusing the expenses. Your net operating income does increase. Better tenant retention actually, and also to creating a resilient cash flowing investment. That's the goal at the end of the day. That's the goal at the end of the day. So what's the key takeaway? Big takeaways in what we just talked about right now. Excellence in operational scheme of things really compounds over time. You can, but to emphasize that even with your team, like your compound interest in medicine, where small daily habits prevent long-term disease. That's what you tell your patient most times. The same thing when it comes to apartment investments. Operational excellence, pockets of bit by bit over time would ultimately compound to bigger returns. Even when rents can be raised during downturns, operations can always be tightened. Operational improvements also to equals to built-in protection for your investors. At the end of the day, your investment and also the capital invested into on the table for the investment is always very important to be protected, also to the turnover in terms of profitability. Then it's very important cutting waste in expenses, and also adopting good principle when it comes to managing apartment property. That's what it is when it comes to excellence in operational execution when it comes to apartment investment.